No matter what technique you practice, you will never be able to manifest your desires unless you understand your own power. Dr. Joseph Murphy says that we are the creators of our life circumstances. We can use this power to manifest everything you can imagine. But despite having this power, you feel powerless and start depending on different techniques to manifest your desires. But you don't need any techniques to manifest your desire. You just need to be conscious of your own power. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can effortlessly manifest your desires just by using the power of your consciousness and awareness. Dr. Joseph Murphy believes that the easiest way to manifest anything is to realize the power of your consciousness. But before we start this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you can join our wonderful YouTube community. So without further ado, let's get started. Dr. Joseph Murphy believes that there is only one way to manifest what you want, and that is through your consciousness. You might have heard or know that everything you see in your life is a direct reflection and mirror image of what's in your consciousness. Your consciousness, which encompasses your perception and your sense of self, is intricately connected to all things that seemingly appear outside of you. There is no separation between you and everything you experience in your world. Without your consciousness, these seemingly external things would not exist. It is crucial to grasp the concept that nothing exists except as a direct reflection of your mind, like a screenshot of the image in your mind. By understanding this, you can begin to align your internal experience to intentionally create your outer experience. The physical world can only mirror your mind. It is not inherently real unless you grant it the authority to be your sole reality. In fact, what exists in your mind is the only true reality, and your external experiences are a reflection of that internal reality. You might wonder why the things you desire haven't manifested for you, given that all of this holds true. The reason is that your mind is filled with numerous thoughts each day, approximately 70,000 of them, in fact. Sometimes you may focus on the reality you prefer, but other thoughts arise that pull you back into a reality you don't prefer. When you encounter stimuli from your outer reality and absorb them through your 5 physical senses, you gather information. This information serves as evidence, reinforcing what you previously thought and believed because reality reflects those thoughts back to you. If your attention remains fixated on external information, you create a feedback loop that perpetuates itself. You think the thoughts, and the information from your physical world reinforces those thoughts, and the cycle continues. As this pattern persists, you begin to develop beliefs about your external reality. These beliefs can be summarized as follows: I see this as my experience, so it must be true. If it weren't true, I wouldn't be experiencing it. The subconscious mind receives more of this information from external reflection, validating it as true. Consequently, you automatically think, act, and feel in alignment with those beliefs, further reinforcing the reflection as your only reality. This is why it may seem challenging to change the cycle. However, it is not impossible. One reason you may struggle to believe in your new desired reality, the one where you successfully manifest your desires, is because it hasn't been validated by your outer experiences perceived through your physical senses. But when you take control of the internal process that shapes your life as it is now, everything between you and your desires will be eliminated, paving the way for new experiences. The key belief you must embrace in this moment is that if you can manifest in an unfavorable way, you possess the absolute power to manifest favorably. The feedback loop becomes automatic, and the only thing that needs altering is that feedback loop. The trick lies in ignoring the outer stimuli and redirecting your attention completely away from them. Deny the unwanted aspects and embrace your power to change them until they conform to your desired reality. To effect a complete transformation, you must saturate your mind with what you desire until it becomes your predominant way of thinking. Embrace your new mindset and state of being, and let your actions align with the identity of a person who already experiences what you desire. You must become that person internally and remain loyal to that version of yourself in your mental and experiential landscape until it materializes in your physical reality. Accept that you already possess your desire and live your life as if you do. By doing so, you initiate a shift in reflection. As the new reflection begins to take form, you will start noticing glimpses of evidence aligning with your new thoughts and beliefs. When you encounter this evidence, consciously acknowledge and celebrate it. Each piece of evidence presents an opportunity to get excited about the adjustments you have made internally and the power you possess to bring about these changes. I always recommend actively seeking and gathering this type of evidence and nurturing genuine excitement for it. This sets in motion a new feedback loop that aligns with your desires and impresses your subconscious mind, just as your previous outer reflection did. Similar to how the outer world presented information through your five senses in the old reflection, it will begin doing the same regarding your new internal image. From there, things will naturally flow effortlessly, as your attention can now be directed toward the physical reality aligning with your internal landscape. This is precisely what Dr. Joseph Murphy so beautifully taught. He says, remain faithful to the knowledge that your consciousness, your I am-ness, and your awareness of being aware are the only realities. They form the foundation upon which all phenomena can be explained. There is no other explanation outside of that. I know of no clear understanding of phenomena except that consciousness is everything, and everything is consciousness. If there is darkness in my world, I created that darkness. If there is light and joy, I created that light and joy. It is none other than my consciousness that does it all. There is no cause outside of my own consciousness. Your world is a grand mirror, constantly reflecting who you are. These words are not mine. They are the inspired words of Dr. Joseph Murphy, who discovered that consciousness is the only reality. Imagine, if you will, that everything is already created. Creation is complete. What you desire is already a truth, waiting for you to attune yourself to it. It is readily available once you surrender to this truth. It doesn't need you to create it. It simply requires your unwavering loyalty. Become the version of yourself who already possesses the experience you desire. Shift your focus from trying to obtain it to embody the state of already having it. If you keep telling yourself that nothing is changing, the world will reflect that back to you. Physical reality needs time to catch up with your thoughts and adjust the reflection once you have sufficiently and firmly adjusted to the version of yourself that possesses what you desire. The proof lies in your mind. There must be enough evidence until it manifests externally. If you find yourself fixated on changing the physical reality and world, you will continue to have experiences that necessitate changing the physical reality and world. Remember, this is a completely internal process. If you encounter a delay in the physical reflection, here is how Dr. Joseph Murphy describes it in his book. The time it takes for your assumptions to become facts and your desires to be fulfilled is directly proportional to the naturalness of your feeling of already being what you want to be and already having what you desire. If it doesn't feel natural to you to be what you imagined yourself to be, that is the secret to your failure. Regardless of your desire, regardless of how faithfully and intelligently you follow the law, if it doesn't feel natural to you, you won't achieve it. Once you immerse yourself repeatedly in this new version of yourself who possesses what you desire, it will gradually begin to feel natural. Keep nurturing this state until it becomes second nature. At times, when faced with challenges and setbacks, it is common for individuals to reach a point where they consider giving up. However, I strongly urge you to persist in your endeavors. The key lies in saturating your subconscious mind with unwavering determination and resilience. Do not allow external reflections, such as difficulties or negative circumstances, to sway your conviction. Instead, it can be helpful to perceive the outer world as an illusion that must yield to the power of your will. It is crucial to recognize that the world around you is a reflection of your internal state. Your thoughts, beliefs, and suggestions hold immense power in shaping your reality. By remaining steadfast in your new self-image and holding on to positive thoughts, you allow the outer reflection to adjust accordingly. This transformation will gradually unfold before your very eyes, and the experiences you desire will manifest in perfect harmony with your internal reality. It is essential to internalize the profound truth that you hold the power to create your own experiences. Within the depths of your consciousness lies the origin of all that unfolds in your life. Every thought, belief, and unwavering focus contributes to the molding and shaping of your reality. Embrace this fundamental understanding and witness the wondrous manifestations of your desires. Realize that your thoughts possess immense creative potential. They are the seeds from which your experiences sprout. Nurture positive and empowering thoughts, for they pave the path to a reality filled with joy and abundance. Challenge any limiting beliefs that may hinder your progress, replacing them with beliefs that align with your highest aspirations. Direct your focus intentionally towards that which you wish to attract into your life. By consistently aligning your attention with your desires, you activate the forces of the universe to conspire in your favor. Let go of distractions and negative influences that divert your energy away from your goals. Stay steadfast in your commitment to your vision and watch as the universe orchestrates events in extraordinary ways to support your journey. Remember, you are not a mere passenger on the voyage of life. You are the captain navigating through the vast sea of possibilities. Take ownership of your experiences, for they are a reflection of the choices you make and the energy you radiate. Embrace your creative power and trust in the infinite potential that resides within you. With this understanding, you become the conscious architect of your reality, co-creating a world that aligns with your deepest desires. To embark on this journey of manifestation, start by cultivating a deep sense of self-awareness. Understand the thoughts and beliefs that may be holding you back or limiting your potential. Once you identify these barriers, consciously replace them with empowering and positive affirmations. Nurture a mindset that aligns with the reality you wish to create. Visualization is a powerful tool in this process. Take time each day to vividly imagine yourself already living the life you desire. See, hear, and feel the experiences as if they were happening in the present moment. Engage all your senses and immerse yourself in the emotions of success, joy, and fulfillment. As you persist in this practice, maintain unwavering faith and belief in your ability to manifest your desires. Doubts and fears may arise, but acknowledge them without allowing them to take root. Trust that the universe is working in your favor, aligning circumstances and opportunities to support your goals. Consistency and perseverance are key to the manifestation process. Cultivate a daily routine that reinforces your desired reality. Affirmations, visualization, and gratitude practices can become powerful habits that reinforce your new self-image and align you with the experiences you seek. Throughout your journey, remember to detach from the outcome. Avoid becoming fixated on specific details or timelines. Trust that the universe has its divine timing and will deliver your desires when the time is right. Surrender control and have faith that your intentions have been heard and are being manifested most perfectly. I hope I was able to provide a thorough study of Dr. Joseph Murphy's method, as he was a great teacher and inspired millions of people around the world. If you want to express your thoughts and take part in the conversation, leave a comment below the video. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button for more entertaining, informative, and helpful videos about manifestation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.